Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am back. And I have a little bitty haul that is related to my craft room. I am in the process of organizing. It seems like it is never ending, and I needed some baskets. So I was in Bed Bath & Beyond. They say this is wicker, but it is actually a plastic basket, and I got 3 different size ones, and you really can't see them. So let me see if I can go up some. Nope, that's down. Not up. Let's go back the other way, y'all. Okay, see, it really can't. So I got this small one, and I'm gonna sit this by my die cutting machine so it can have my plates and what have you in them. Magnetic plates and everything that I'm not using. I'm just going to sit it down on the floor right next to where my die cutting machines are. So that's what I'm going to use that one for. It is actually 8.5 by, I think it's 8. It's 8 this way wide. And the long way, I think it's 11.5 or something. So that'll be big enough to stand those up in there. And then I got this one to sit by my desk. Like, I have a lot of the taller dies, and this one is 14.3 by 12 by 8.7. So it's pretty big, and I can stand up like my scoring pads, scoreboards, and envelope punches and that kind of thing. I can stand those up in here. Right now I have them just standing up by my desk, and I just really wanted to have a magazine rack there with some stuff in it, which is just awkward. Okay, it does not work. So I am going to switch everything out, and I'm going to actually use the magazine rack for magazines. My voice is going, guys. So I am going to organize that, because I also have like stamp platforms and stuff, like my Tim Holtz stamp platforms. See, it'll just stand up right in there. So I am excited because that should make it way better. And then I have a lot of my new tonic dies. Guess what, guys? They will stand up right in there. So they will be more organized. And I am just really looking forward to this. And then this one is not as deep as this. And I'm just not sure why I got this one. But suffice it to say, I got the 3 because I didn't want to have to go back. So this one, we'll figure it out. Not sure yet what it's going to be. But yeah, so I think that's going to be such a much better fit. Now this, I don't think it's going to go that way. So, and it's not going to go that way. And it's not, so it's still not going to fit in there, but they can stand up next to it, which is still better than the way things are right now. So guys, that is some of my new organization. And then I also bought the clear containers, which I use for my dies and stamps. I've set my stamps up, my stamp sets and stuff, clear stamps and what have you, and I set them up like using the Jennifer McGuire, I'll call it her organizational thing. I really like that because the packages are labeled, they are basically the same size, and I've got my larger sets done the same way and smaller. But I also have some new things like stuff like this. So I'm going to do a haul for all of my cottage cut stuff, because I never did that. But I want us to be able to store them in here, along with some other things that I have that are kind of just stuck in other areas. And so I got 2 of those, and I'm excited because they do stack. So I got 2. That's what they look like. I got these, like I said, I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. It is the I Design Live Simply. But these are actually, this is a condiment caddy. So these sit in your refrigerator, and that's what they're for. But I find that I love having them, you know, in my craft room, because I can just pick it up and bring it to my desk and go through it. So I got those. And oh, this isn't, these are some lights from my closet. They're wireless LED puck lights. And one of my bedroom closets has no light, and I hate going in there because I have to turn all the lights in the bedroom on. So I am going to use these in there. And then I have my coat closet, also doesn't have a light, and I don't know why they don't put lights in closets. I just don't get that. But I got these for that purpose, and it's not crafty, but it will make me see better. I was out of batteries, so I got batteries. I hated to pay that much money for them, but hey, it is AAA 20. I run out of these so fast because most of my remotes handle that. And I used a coupon there, so that's always good. And then I just got some scents. Oh God, these things smell so good, guys. And I put one of these in each one of my closets because I love to open the door and smell it. This one is, I mean, it just smells like fresh clothes. But this Hello Gorgeous, it is, oh God, I really like that one. So I bought 3 sets of those. They are I think it was $5.99 for 3. And I usually get them at Kirkland's, but that was just not where I wanted to be today. That was on another side of town. So guys, that is my crafty, non-crafty haul. I bought some adhesive today though, and I can't find it when I was in Hobby Lobby. Some removable adhesive. I know I picked it up and took it to the register. I know I did. But I swear I don't know what happened to it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my non-crafty, crafty haul. And hey, stay tuned because I'm actually been working on this desk here. I mean, got lots of crafting going on. So stay tuned and I will be back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye.